just waiting to enter once it is closed above this level. I mean this candle, these two candles. So or above 171, 178 or 180, I'll be entering into the trade. Just allowing some time to close. So I have just got entered into the trading. So here it is my target. Yes, done for the day. And if you want to see more trades like this, or if you want to join my trade session, so I'll be sharing the daily meeting link in my WhatsApp group. So please join directly there, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.